evening. What do you want to do tonight?
The same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to take over the world.
One bag of gold medal pan me now.
Yep, that's me. My name is Rome, and this is the Fort Official. Let's go.
What's going on, people? Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and press a like on the video. Subscribe if you're new. Thank you guys for watching. Let's get right into it. It's a weekend roundup so far. So first, let's talk about the Serie A, or the Serie A, or the Juventus League. I like the Juventus League better. I think it's the Juventus League, where Juventus drew today. And obviously, their fixtures are the only one that anyone looks for when you look at the Serie A. But they rested Ronaldo. Since he's been back from COVID, he's the only one that's been scoring. How are you going to rest Ronaldo? The man is like 30, man is like 40 years old, and he's still killing it over there. And they're going to rest him. He barely pulled off a draw over there at one of those newly promoted sides. Pretty sure Juventus is not going to win the Champions League this year. So, I mean, they're going to win the Italian League regardless because, you know, it's the Italian League. Juventus only wins the Italian League. No one else can. It's that simple. That's it. That's the entire thing. Oh, and then we have the Spanish League, or the Real Madrid and Barca League. I think the 2020 effect is going to take a toll on this league this year because I was watching Real Madrid today and they look like shite. Their defense was all over the place. They got Courtois in goal looking like a secret agent. Ramos sitting on a red card in the stands just waving everyone on like he's a cheerleader or some shit like that. It was bad. They deserved to lose that game because of their defending. However, they were attacking. They were attacking like 90% of the game. I'm not even gonna lie. They were attacking 90% of the game. I think the issue is with Real Madrid is that Zidane doesn't know what he's doing. The team is all over the place. At one point, Marcelo was all the way in the left side of the midfield, the right side of the midfield. It doesn't make sense. And then Isco's on the bench. Isco was a baller, bro. Can't make him to this team. It's rough. And then the German league, or should I say the Bayern Munich league. Bayern Munich won their game today, so I guess water really is wet. Dortmund lost, and that's really not much to talk about anyway. I'm not really a fan of Dortmund anymore since they tried to play hard in with Sancho. So problem I have with the Bayern Munich league is that none of the other teams really want to win that league, bro. I think they're just happy by being in the league. They sell out their players to Bayern Munich. Whenever Bayern Munich come knocking, they sell them for cheap. If another clubs come knocking from another country, they play hard then, bro. It doesn't make sense. You know what I mean? Bayern Munich sits there on top of that league every year. You know what it is? It's like going to the Olympics, right? And making it to the finals of the 4x4 at the Olympics. And you sat there in lane 8 because you fought like hell to get there. And then when you look behind you, that's the USA in lane 4. And you're like, shit, what's the point? I'm just going to run the race and finish because USA is going to win regardless. That's the sad part about the German league, bro. They just give Bayern Munich the league every year and then give them their best players. And then as soon as Bayern Munich's done with them, they send them right back. Stupid. Mario Götze, prime example. Mats Hummels, prime example. And then we can talk about the biggest league in Europe, the Premier League. Today, they played like 4 games. And they were really underwhelming games, to be honest with you. Liverpool drew, which is very exciting because now there's a strong chance that Tottenham or Chelsea going ahead of them. But my thing about this is, with Liverpool drawing today, is that team looks dead, bro. Liverpool looks like they're past it. And it's not because they're not good anymore. It's just that they don't have the legs anymore. I mean, Klopp ran them to the ground for the past 3 years. It just keeps running. This team don't beat you because they're flair and skillful players. They beat you because they outwork you for the past 3 years. And now they can't do it anymore because they don't have the legs. A crap ton of muscle injuries throughout the entire team. They're not going to win the Champions League, and they're certainly not going to win the league, in my opinion. I'm not a fan of Liverpool anyway, so fuck them. Then you have Man City and Burnley. Bro, Man City played the last 5 times Man City played Burnley, the score was 5-0. So, as I said, I guess water really is wet. Man City, Burnley, 5-0. It's been happening for the past 5 games. So, Everton and Leeds, That game was really exciting. It looks like it was going to be another game where Leeds just pull up, didn't try to score. It had so many chances. That first half should have ended 4-1 at best because Everton had chances too, right? But I don't know, man. It's kind of weird because Leeds play such good football building up to it, and then they can't finish for shit. And their defense is crap as well. And then the last game of the day, Sheffield and West Brom, bro. I know Manchester United struggled with West Brom last week, but these guys can't score for shit. But they scored against Sheffield because Sheffield can't score for shit. These guys, they cannot score a goal or win a game to save their mom's life, bro. It's rough down there. And after all the good shit that they did last season, 2020 is kicking them back down to the championship. Fantasy football. Jesus Christ, bro. I don't know. I need help with my fantasy football. I was really hoping in Calvert-Lewin putting 1 or 2 past Leeds today, bro. And this man didn't do shit today. All right? I had Jota in my stuff. Jota came through on the clutch. I'm not even going to lie. Jota came through and gave me some points. Pickford had a decent game. Mane was crap. Came on in the second half, gave me 2 points. But I don't have anything. I'm finishing the day with like 10 points, bro. I don't even know. You can see it somewhere up there. I don't know. But it's... bro, I stopped watching my fantasy football. And then my friend of mine hit me up and started talking shit. And I'm like, all right, cool. I'm going to get back into fantasy football. Now, all I have hope for is Martial and Bruno tomorrow. And maybe Son. Maybe Son can squeeze one past Mendy. Who knows? But thank you guys for watching. Please go ahead and drop a like on the video. Subscribe to the video. Shoot me a comment down below. Let me know how I can improve the channel. Again, this is a brand new channel. Bless. Manas.